Hi everyone, this is Randy with the Kindred design team, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble the gift card die set. Now this gift card die set helps you create an adorable gift card holder that looks like a present with a bow on top. Now, there are several ways for you to assemble this gift card holder, and I'm going to show you both ways. And then I'm going to demonstrate how to create a gift card holder for your gift card holder, and it's going to be a card that you can hold the gift card. So first, let's work on the first way to assemble the gift card holder die set. So here are the two large pieces that I cut out. They have little flaps here. So the first way is we're going to adhere them. I'll put one flap here and the other flap on this side. Like so. And then you have the other die piece where you actually hold the gift card. And this piece you can actually slide in to your gift card holder, like so. So that way you can just pull it out and it has your gift card. The next way I'm going to show is how to assemble it where you open. Next way, I'm going to show you how to assemble the die set is for you to open the gift card this way. First, we're going to fold our flaps onto the score line. And then we're going to adhere the two flaps together. Like so. And now let's assemble our gift card box. So this is what the gift card holder looks like once assembled. And you want to open. Now let's work on creating our card that doubles as a gift card holder. For our card, I'm going to be using the critters from the Woodland Adventures stamp set. And I have some of the card pieces already die cut out. So I have my A2 panel that I used a cloud stencil, the grass and cloud stencil with some blue ink to blend. And I took another A2 panel and I die cut out the grassy craft die. And I blended it with some green inks. Then I embossed the sentiment using the Embossing Ink Pad and the Snowfall embossing powder. Then I die cut out my jungle scene craft die from another A2 panel, like so, so that it fits it vertically. So let's work on assembling our card and our woodland creatures. Here is my completed card. Now, I forgot that I did not want to adhere these critters to the back of this background because I wanted to make sure that I could slide in the gift card holder. And I also wanted to make sure when I glued down the grass scene that I only glued down the perimeter so that way I could slide my gift card in. So let's see how it looks. So here we go. Here is our gift card holder for our gift card holder. And that way you can easily take this out and open up the gift card holder with your card that doubles as a gift card holder. Now if you have any questions, comment down below or message me in the Facebook group. Happy crafting!